Hey everyone, so tonight we're making a watermelon margarita and we're making it without watermelon juice. So what do we need for this cocktail? We need Patron tequila. Any 100% agave tequila will be good. I also like 1800. And we're using Contro triple sec. And we also need some watermelon syrup. We're using watermelon syrup instead of watermelon juice because watermelon have a very high water content. So what you'll find if you make a margarita with watermelon juice, it's going to be very watery and doesn't really taste like watermelon. Whereas if you use the syrup, and Monen's watermelon syrup is delicious, it's going to give you that stronger watermelon flavor that goes really well in a margarita. And also it gives you some sweetness as well, so you don't need to add a sugar syrup or add agave syrup. So that's how we're going to do it. And the other last ingredient we need is a lime. So we're going to juice the lime. Now please do try, if you can, to get a fresh lime to juice it because of course in a lime it's only lime juice, nothing's added to it. If you get supermarket lime juice, it's usually not, it's got to be preserved, so it's not just the juice. Okay, so we're going to rim the glass, and the way we do that is to grab the glass and just run the lime around the outside. Just a fine line if you can. We need to put salt on a plate. I'm using a smoked salt, but you can use any coarse salt. Then we just run the glass through the salt like this. Okay, that's pretty good for me. Okay, let's get into it. We need to juice the lime and we will need 30 ml or 1 ounce of lime juice. Smells so good. I can smell that lime. I love the smell of lime. Okay, that is perfect. Okay, so ice into the shaker. We'll do it probably about a third of the way up. So we'll put that in. Now, next we need 60 ml or 2 ounces of tequila. Now I'm using a 60 ml measuring jigger, but you could just do 2 of these. I just find it easier. Use what you've got. Okay. Okay, 60 ml into there. Just get this out of the way. Try and clear your space as you go, otherwise it gets a bit difficult. Okay, next we need 30 ml or 1 ounce of Contro or triple sec. I prefer the flavour of Contro. I mean, you could use Grand Marnier or you could use any triple sec. Just use something you like. I love the taste of Contro, so it's Contro for me. And I think it does go really well with tequila. Oops. And we need 15 ml or half an ounce of watermelon syrup. And this is the watermelon syrup I use, Monen, but if you have another one that you like, or if you really want to use watermelon juice, go ahead, but this gives a great flavour. So 15 ml, half an ounce. Okay, time to shake. Okay, when it feels really cold in your hand, that means it's ready. All right. And I'm straining it into the glass. You can leave the lid on and just strain because this has the holes in it, so it's for pouring, but I just prefer to do it this way just so the ice doesn't clog up. Wow, look at that color, so pretty. You also won't get this exact color if you use watermelon juice. It will probably be a lighter shade of pink. Also, if you do like the watermelon flavor to be stronger, then you could put 30 mils of watermelon syrup in it. Okay, so I have some dehydrated orange slices. Normally I'd probably put a lime in a margarita, but given it's a pink color and these slices are just so beautiful. Okay, into the drink it goes. Look at that. That is really beautiful. That is a gorgeous drink. Let's give it a taste. With the smoked salt, that really does taste fantastic. So here we have the watermelon margarita. I hope you have a fantastic weekend and enjoy your Friday night, and I look forward to seeing you again next week to make another cocktail.